I want to eat you, but don't get scared. I think it'll be nice. What do you think?
Oh no, don't eat me. I'm just a puny Mexican. I mean Japanese, you know. You gotta be with that Japanese, you know. I know, you know. I know, you know.
You gotta know, man. You gotta know. You gotta find out the place that made me two-headed. You gotta, man.
Oh my gosh, I'm a robot in a square.
Yeah, you know, man. Gotta make a house and... Yeah.
That's funny.
Really stinks.
I'm just trying to make the joke. Triangle in there.
I think sometimes you just gotta... Do you have any cavities? I don't think so. Do you? I don't think so. No. Not at all.
Oh my god. Look at your mouth.
Oh, let's get Susie. Oh, there we go. That was just beautiful. I'll have one of those swirls on my head. The kind that keeps you going round and round and round. Okay.
Last way.
Okay. Yesterday, I went and I got my lips done, so I can't really move them or my face.
Try your face.
Okay. Zombie Striker. I just wanted to tell you happy birthday because I miss you. And I know it's all well in Pennsylvania, but I miss you, you know, because I don't really get to see you a lot. Yeah, well, bye, Mom. Okay, you guys, so I would like to say goodbye, and I love you. Bye-bye now.